Hello everybody. Building turning points astro-indicator statistically. You see in previous video I have explained how to build turning points astro-indicator manually using composite module in timing solution. But now I will show you how to do this work using statistical. We have special module for that, turning points astro-indicator. Firstly, I will show you a general idea. Actually, this is timing solution technology. Actually, it's a pretty standard approach. You see, we have two components. First, this is price events. What is that? This is we can predict turning points. Try to predict turning points. Try to predict big price change. This is, we call it target. Or using neural net science, they call it output. This is what we trying to forecast. For traders, they can call it a price events, price action, and in math, they usually call it objective function. So this is a kind of timing solution slang target. Next, this is model. What we will use to make forecast. How we want to predict this turning point. What this prediction is based on. This is model, or in neural net science they call it input. It can be like aspects. We try to predict turning points based on aspects, or a far model based on planetary position. And as a result, we got projection line. So let me show you how you can do it with timing solution. In timing solution, I already have downloaded S&P 500, and now I run module in advanced section. It's turning points astro-indicator. So I click here. You see first. This is price events, this is target, this is what we plan to forecast. In this case, we want to forecast turning points. Turning points, you can see, you can actually click this button, zigzag, and it will show how we calculate turning points. We simply calculate zigzag, this is how this zigzag looks. Yeah, and this zigzag allows to extract, to see turning points. Totally, we apply 7% zigzag. This is minimal wave, 7% of price change. And this zigzag allows to reveal 350 turning points. Okay, I close it. And here you can see list of turning points. Next, we plan to forecast. In this case, this is tops. We plan to forecast tops and bottoms, and this is directional index. Okay, I will later I will explain what it means. Next model, what this forecast is based on. Let's build forecast based on aspects, planetary aspects. So click this button, and here you can define, you can set as many events as you need. You can build model based on aspects, midpoints, planetary position, whatever. Everything is possible. There are a lot of possibilities here. So let's build a model based on aspects. So I choose here aspects, planets, aspects. You can set any amount of aspects. And now click add to list. Okay, you see you got list of aspects, orb 10 degrees. And now simply click calculate. It calculates very fast. What program did? The program conducted statistical analysis for all these aspects and finds how this aspect correlates with turning points. Actually, it's not correlation used. It used chi-square statistical significance test. And you see it shows, for example, when Mars, Sun conjuncts Mars aspect, we have more tops turning points. Chi-square 4. Actually, good chi-square. And you see, this way we collect all important events. You see here, you see all aspects, and here, red, this is statistically important, statistically significant events. You see some aspects more, some aspects more correlate with bottoms, so another aspect correlates with tops, and as a result, we got this chart. You see, we got chart, green, this is top, this is a projection line that shows high probability zones for top, for then turning points reach top, and red, this is bottoms. You see, by the way, if you need to change color here, you just use standard options in here in main Windows view, just price bar colors, and here you can change any color you want. Just click this button and send this color. So you see this projection line makes using this projection line, we can try to make forecast for top and bottom turning points. Another variant, let's play with target. You see, for example, we want to forecast only tops. So this way we will get projection line that it will be only one color. You see how it looks. Or in other variants, we want to calculate non-directional indicator. Tops and bottoms, turning points, non-directional. So it doesn't matter. It shows makes forecast for some turning points, and it doesn't matter what kind of turning points is. So I click here, I choose this option, and here calculating. You see, this is turning point astro-indicator, non-directional. We don't know what it forecasts, tops or bottoms, so it doesn't matter. Next, we can, I recommend some models here. I would like to show you more about target. You can also calculate big changes, big up changes, big down, big up and down changes. Directional indicator the same, only big ups, or big changes, non-directional indicator. Okay, let's calculate directional tops and bottoms, and you see there is a feature here. I recommend to use the ready models. Here it is, load from HAP file. Here you will see some models, two models for change in trend point, CIT. Let's choose this one. This is a farm model. Click calculate. Okay, you see what we got. We got this message that recommends what happens. Actually, the program conducted statistical analysis, and it was found only 4 important events. So maybe this projection line will look too choppy. What we recommend to do? We recommend to increase amount of price history. No, we do not have enough price history. Increase amount of price events, or decrease sample size. Decrease sample size, it's here. Maybe we can increase amount of price events, amount of turning points. We can change this zigzag and decrease minimal wave. This wave will increase the amount of turning points. Or we can do it this way. Clicking this button, you see price events. It shows 351 price turning points. Let's increase it. Okay, let's be 4 better. Okay, 511. Let's try to calculate now. Okay. Okay, you see calculation done, and now we have more. We have, look at this, 60, not 46 important events. And you see projection line looks more interesting. What also you can change? You can change, decrease sample size, set it maybe 15, but do not change it too much, because if you set sample size small, the statistical significance of these events will be smaller, and it's not good. It will be more random error. Also, sometimes you can decrease critical chi-square, set to 2, but this is, once again, it's this way we decrease the statistical significance of events, analyzed events. It's risky a little bit, but you can try. Firstly, you can increase the amount of price events, and the next step, decrease it sample size, set it to 15. Yeah. So what we got this projection line. Blue, green, this is forecast top turning points. Red forecast bottom turning points. Next step I recommend to do, I recommend save these results and into events box models. Just click this button and you see we'll get events box model. Here it is. You can close turning points astro-indicator. Now we do not need, because we statistical work done, and we have a projection line based on most important events that forecast tops or bottoms. You can modify style, color style. You can display it this way as gradient. So that's it. Thank you. Sorry, I forgot to mention one feature here. Look at this. Let's display using a line, plus minus line. And you see there is feature here in events box module that allows to conduct optimization to find the best weights for these events. But there is a very special target function. I will click here, and you see what is that. This target function. This is let's display it together with price chart. It will be easy to understand. This is we call it detrended zigzag. You see, it shows the major turning points. But this, you see, this zigzag, it's detrended, not trend. And this way, this zigzag can be, this indicator, the trended zigzag, can be used in a neural net model, in optimization. So actually we can try to optimize it, clicking this button, and you will get maybe improved indicator. But I don't know, because actually I did not play with this feature, with optimization zigzag, because before I tried to optimize zigzag using a neural net model, it did not look good. But here maybe it will work, because you see we do like statistical analysis before using before applying optimization. Once again, zigzag. By the way, some user asked me to possibility to display header. Okay, you see, you can display header events box and change. Clicking this button, you can type your my events box, type whatever, my events box. So that's it now. Thank you.